All right, today, so for English 1110Y, I'm doing an analysis, Media Lab A, and today I decided to do an event for that analysis. I decided to do the turkey dig, and so we're going to get started on all that right now. The turkey dig was started about 15 to 17 years ago, a little rough with the years. Talked to my dad about it. But my dad started it when we bought our new house that we currently still live in, and it's the day before Thanksgiving every single year. So it's kind of a tradition of our family, and we cook our turkeys underground with the coals from the bonfire that we have. So here to the left is a picture of my dad right here. This was this past year, the turkey dig of 2019, and then this was the pellets of I believe 2018. So same truck in my dad right there, but we've held the gathering every single year with family and friends, and you know my dad has consistently done it, but the past few years he decided he wanted to retire from all the maintenance that comes with it. So I took it over because I'm really big on family. I'm very prideful when it comes to family. So I decided to do it, and I take full responsibility for everything. And my mom still makes the food, of course. My dad will still help, but it's mainly my event now. We normally serve chicharrones, Frito pies, red chili, just some good stuff like that before Thanksgiving. So the process. So a few days before to about a week, my best friends and I, it's usually me, Lewis, and Jake, but Jake is now a Marine, so this year it was just me and Lewis. We did it, I believe, 3 days before this year. We've done it a week before. Doesn't really matter as long as it gets done, but it's a four by 4 by 4 foot pit that can fit all the pallets up, right? So we cut everything up while we dig the hole, and the day of the turkey dig, my dad and I, early in the morning, around let's say 8ish, 9ish, we'll take a drive to New Mexico Plaster, where we've been getting pallets from for the past 15 to 17 years, ever since we started the whole turkey dig. And, they save pallets for us every year. The guy's name is John. So it's a pretty cool thing, like, that goes on. And when we get back home, I'm full responsibility of cutting up all the wood with the Sawzall, and my dad will, start cleaning out the disco for the chicharrones, and I'll help him get out the tables, and he'll start wiping down the tables and the chairs. And usually people will come over and they'll start helping. Like my little cousin and my uncle came over, and then my best friend came over. So when I was cutting all the wood with the Sawzall, my little cousin was helping me cut the wood. He was holding the big pellets up. My uncle and my dad cleaned the tables and the chairs, got everything ready on that. Um, and after we all finished setting everything up that we could at the time, my mom's inside cooking, the chili beans, getting all the tortillas ready, just stuff like that, cleaning up the house a little bit so it's presentable to everyone that's coming over, because it is a gathering. Um, we all cleaned up, and we get ready for the event. We'll come back outside, and as people start starting to come, we'll put all the food outside, and we'll get ready for the event to fully function. We'll light the bonfire. So here's a little video that I have of right as we start the fire. Here's what it's like for me. We got Copenhagen, the doggo, and the big pile we had this past year. So in the next slide, we have what it's all about. So for me, it's all about the family and friends. Right here, we have my old man. There's obviously me. There's my cousin Tone, my cousin Drew, my best friend Lewis, and my other friend Elijah. Well, Ring Ring, as we call him. So this is just the guys that were out there. My grandpa was somewhere else for the photo, but we all have a pinch of dip in our mouth. That's why we could look a little funny, but it's a family tradition. It's my favorite thing over Thanksgiving. I really don't like Thanksgiving that much for the food and all that. And this is the same people are actually more people are even over here than they are for Thanksgiving. So to me, it's just a great process. And we eat all the chicharrones, we have the burritos, and the snow included this year, which made it even better. And so this event was awesome, and everyone just has a good time. We listen to country. They leave with a smile on their face and a belly full of food. I'll tell you that. And here's a little video that we have. There's me. There's Elijah, my grandpa, my little cousin, my auntie, uncle, grandparents, you know, everyone. There's all the food in the back. So it's just a great event overall, and Analyzing it makes me realize how much more special it really even is, and that's really it. Thank you.